What role does the DUX4 gene play in facioscapulohumeral EMD? Imagine a tiny switch in our genes that, when turned on at the wrong time, can cause big problems in our muscles. That's what happens with the DUX4 gene in facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy. Normally, DUX4 is active only during early development in embryos, helping to turn on genes needed for growth. After that, it is turned off in most tissues, including muscles, through a process called epigenetic silencing. This keeps DUX4 inactive in adult muscles, preventing it from causing trouble. In people with facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy, changes happen in a specific part of the chromosome called the D4Z for repeat region on chromosome 4. Normally, this region contains many copies of a DNA sequence that help keep DUX4 turned off. But in FSHD, the number of these repeats is reduced, which weakens the epigenetic repression. As a result, DUX4 becomes abnormally active in skeletal muscle cells. This abnormal activation is considered the main cause of the disease. When DUX4 is turned on in muscle cells, it produces a protein that acts as a transcription factor. This means it can turn on other genes that are usually silent in adult muscle. Some of these genes, like PIDX1, are involved in early development but are harmful when expressed in adult muscles. The activation of these genes disrupts normal muscle cell functions, including how they grow and repair themselves. It also triggers inflammation and cell death, leading to muscle fiber damage. The presence of DUX4 in muscle cells is often low and fleeting, making it hard to detect directly. However, scientists can identify its activity by looking for the genes it activates. This gene signature is a reliable marker for diagnosing FSHD. Because DUX4 causes muscle degeneration, researchers are exploring treatments that can block its expression or counteract its harmful effects. Some experimental therapies aim to reduce DUX4 activity, which could slow down or stop the muscle damage. In summary, the abnormal activation of the DUX4 gene in muscle tissue is at the heart of facioscapulohumeral muscular dystrophy. Its inappropriate expression triggers a cascade of harmful genetic activity that damages muscle fibers and causes weakness. Understanding how DUX4 works helps scientists develop targeted treatments to improve the lives of those affected. If you or someone you know has FSHD, it's important to consult healthcare professionals who can provide personalized advice and keep up with ongoing research efforts.